So, hi dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot messages for you guys from 9 till the 15th of September. I'm going to pull one card for you guys for each day, and you can take it as guidance or messages or warnings or whatever you feel like intuitively for you guys. Okay, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Gemini, let's see. Let's do your reading very quickly. 7 days, 7 messages for you guys, Gemini. Okay. Okay, for ninth, we have the comparison. So you are going to compare yourself to others, or other people are going to compare you with something else or someone else. And you might feel like a little bit of competitive kind of energy, and it's not going to go anywhere because you are different. The other thing that you are being compared to, or the other person that you are being compared to, is totally different. So if you are doing it, stop comparing other people with other people, because there are two different energies. These are two different people. These are two different souls. Don't judge them. Don't compare them, because they are incomparable. Okay, so whatever kind of competition or comparison game is going on, just stop that. If somebody else is trying to do that with you, just try to understand, just make peace with it, that it's their perception, not yours, and you are different from them. 10th of September, we have the past lives. It could be possible that something from your past or someone from your past will show up. It could be a problem, it could be a situation, it could be a person that is going to create a little bit of disturbance in your life in some way, but you will be able to resolve it if you will understand that this problem is showing up in your life not to harm you or hurt you, but to help you to release it properly and heal it properly, so that you can move forward to the next chapter without this burden. Okay, so healing it properly, letting go of this situation properly is very important in order to move to the next chapter of your life, to the beautiful fresh chapter of your life. Okay, 11th of September, I'm sorry, we have the breakthrough. So 11th of September, we have to you are going through you are going to have some kind of breakthrough, some kind of awakening, some kind of amazement, like, oh my god, I was trying to get solution to the situation from a very long time, and finally now I'm getting it. I'm not even understanding it, like how the hell I got it right. So you're going to get some kind of breakthrough in a situation, in a condition where you were trying to find a solution from a very long time, and finally you're going to get the courage, you're going to get the strength and the ability to get out of something that you were not able to do from a long time, maybe. 10, 9, 10, 11. It's on 12th, we have the morality. So on the 12th of September, your belief system is going to be shaking. You will be like, okay, I was thinking about the situation like this is going to be the truth of my life, or till this point I thought that this is the truth of my life, but something is going to shake you up, and some kind of belief system is going to be broken, or you can say tested or something like that. But I do see you like standing on your moral ground. You'll be like, no, this is the truth, this is the reality, this is the belief. Some kind of morality test is going to be there. You will get to know about it when you're going to have it, but your belief system is going to be shaking up big time on this particular day, and you're going to be like, okay, I have to change something. Even if you're not going to feel it like on a human level, your soul is going to be like, okay, we have to change something in ourselves in order to go to the next system, next energy. Okay, breaking the belief system basically is the message here for you guys for 12th of September. 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 13th, we have the rebirth. Okay, yeah, see, on the 13th of September, you're going to continue the energy of 12th, and you're going to be like, okay, I have to get out of certain kind of energies, and I have to take a rebirth. I have to adapt with the new changes, with the new Gemini, with the new phases of my life, with the new energies that I'm feeling or I'm getting from situations or the universe. There will be a kind of rebirth. There will be an energy of rebirth in your energies, and you're going to feel very empowered. You're going to feel very new and new, like you're going to feel like a childlike kind of innocence kind of energy, and you're going to get the strength as well to move to the next chapter of your life with a lot of strength and success, like strength and power. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, we have the compromise. So on 14th of September, somebody you might have a rift, or you might have a fight with somebody, and if you're going to find a middle ground in the situation, then you will be able to find the success as well. But if you're going to be like, no, this is the right thing to do, I'm right, or if you're going to play the game of right or wrong, you will not be able to get the success. Might be you will lose that person or that situation, or that condition. So it's better to find a middle ground or compromise in the situation, rather than making it too hard for you or to let go. So letting go of your ego and trying to protect the like connection or situation or whatever means to you, whatever like situation is there that means a lot to you, rather than your ego, just try to find a middle ground. 15th, totality. Yes, on 15th you might need help from somebody who can help you to bring something that you're not able to do by yourself. So if this green color person is going to grab the hands of the blue color person, it's going to be a full circle, full arc. Okay, so it means that it's going to be difficult for you to take help or ask for help, but if you are going to do it, then you will get it and you will be able to complete your task or complete something that you're not able to do by yourself. Okay, so take help if it is required, if it is mandatory, do that. Okay, remove the ego completely from the system and do that. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.